I would like to welcome you to the online training course on NCDs. Ministry of Health has introduced several initiatives to meet the commitments for 2025 NCD targets and to achieve the SDG goals by 2030. Some of them include delivery of essential NCD screening services through HLCs and introducing guidelines for treatment of NCDs at primary care level. Treatment services at health institutions at different levels of care, cancer detection services and mental health services were also improved. While progress has been made, we have faced the challenge of training health staff as it is difficult to release them for traditional face-to-face cascade model for training due to staff shortage. With the challenge of current COVID-19 pandemic, the urgent need to embrace innovative virtual modalities was felt to keep health professionals and program managers abreast with the essential training and for mentoring. NCD Bureau Ministry of Health welcomed the support of WHO through Denmark-funded NCD project to set up a well-defined institutional arrangement and learning management system to lead the virtual capacity building program related to NCDs. Project was designed to build up the capacity of the technical staff of the NCD Directorate to adopt virtual approaches to complement face-to-face training and mentoring programs and to develop a fully equipped structure within the organization to lead and manage virtual training and mentoring courses. With this project, infrastructure for a well-defined hub and spoke model institutional arrangements and learning management system to lead the virtual capacity building programs related to NCDs have been set up by supplying video conferencing sets and other IT facilities and Zoom conference licenses. The hub is in the NCD Bureau and the spokes are in the 9 provinces. We have initiated the process of building the capacity of NCD team at Ministry of Health to adopt virtual training approaches by adjusting curricula for interactive learner-centered program to complement face-to-face training programs. We are carrying out adaptation of the 12-module HEARTS package to Sri Lanka to be implemented as an online self-learning training program. Plans are underway to design several other NCD-related virtual learning and mentoring courses and to offer them to a larger community beyond the NCD service staff in the country. We are inviting all the directorates in the Ministry of Health to utilize the facilities already available at NCD Bureau to conduct online courses they develop. Thank you.